Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks with
Alisa.
And today Alisa is working on page 10 from level 2 in the Hal Leonard piano method books, and we're learning a new concept, intervals. So I'm going to tell you the definition of an interval and you try to memorize it in your brain. An interval is the distance between two pitches. An interval is the distance between two pitches. An interval is the distance between two pitches. So, Alisa, what is an interval?
It's the distance between two pitches.
Yes. And we have two types of intervals. Do you remember what they are? It's okay if you don't, because I just told you. We have harmonic intervals and melodic intervals. So, a melodic interval, you can see, kind of looks like the word melody. A melodic interval is when two pitches are sounded consecutively or one after the other, like this. And a harmonic interval, which kind of sounds like the word harmony, is when two pitches are sounded simultaneously, like this. And when you have a melodic interval, the interval forms a melody line, whereas when you have a harmonic interval, the pitches form a harmony. So could you play a melodic interval for me, please? Oh, nope, that's a harmonic because that's happening at the same time. Yeah. And would you play a harmonic interval? Melodic, harmonic, melodic, harmonic. Good. And then one more time, what's an interval?
It's the distance between.
The distance between how many?
Two.
What? Two what? Two donuts?
Two fingers?
Not two fingers.
Two
I think
keys?
That's close. Two keys, but maybe a little bit of a better way to say it is two pitches, because if you aren't playing the piano, then two pitches is still correct, but two keys would not be. Then we have another element of intervals we have to learn, and that is the number. So we just have to learn two types of intervals today as far as the number is concerned. That is seconds and thirds. So we have a second. This is a harmonic second because 1, 2 at the same time. This is a melodic, and this is a melodic second. Can you play a melodic second? Right. And then we have thirds. 1, 2, 3. That's a third. So this is a harmonic third. Can you play a harmonic third? And this is a melodic third. Yes, very good. Right. So now I'm going to play an interval. Can you close your eyes and tell me what you think this is? Harmonic or melodic, second or third? Don't play it, don't play it. That is cheating. Just tell me with your mouth. What do you think?
Harmonic?
I forgot what I played. No, it was not harmonic. I remember what it was now. Harmonic is like this. Two pitches at the same time.
That's melody?
Melodic.
Melodic.
Do you think the interval was a melodic second or a melodic third?
Melodic second.
Yes. Wow. Okay, close your eyes again. Open your eyes. Was that melodic or harmonic?
Harmonic.
Yes! Was it a second or a third?
Third?
Oh my goodness, you're so good. The number is the hard part to hear for most people. You're getting it right already. Okay, now would you play a melodic second? A harmonic third? Let me see. Yeah, that's right. Good. Okay. So, do you have any questions about intervals, Alisa? Any questions at all? Do you? Tell
Nope.
the camera any questions?
Nope.
Okay, 2 thumbs up for intervals. And level 2 piano.